Good morning guys, and in front of me is HUAWEI Nova 11 Ultra, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first open new message or any other area where you can input some text. Just take a look at your current keyboard. Once you want to change the dictionary, tap on more icon, select settings, go to languages. You can either scroll all the way down to find the language that you want to apply, or you can use the search area and enter the language that you want to have. Now we can remove unnecessary language by unmarking the switcher, then go back, and as you can see, it has been already applied. So this is how you can change keyboard language. You can change it whenever you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.